Hello guys, I'm Carrie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, TOEFL listening. Question 1, GIST questions. I'd tell you the question patterns and my strategies. These are the easiest questions in listening, so you must get them all right. Here's what I want to tell you today. GIST questions usually ask you what the main idea or purpose of the listening is. You can identify the questions by keywords like topic, meaning, purpose, and why. Sometimes GIST questions ask you to choose two answers. Like reading, TOEFL arranged the questions in the same order as the information shown in the listening. GIST questions are the first questions, so the answers must be at the beginning. Pay full attention to the beginning. Let's do practice on TOEFL Bank now. You can grab a paper to take notes. Before we move on, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you.
Listen to a conversation between a student and a dormitory management employee.
Hey, is this where you handle dormitory problems?
Yep, you're at the right place. How can I help you?
I wanted to know if I could change my dorm room. I sort of have an issue with my roommate.
Well, the official due date for room rearrangements has expired. I'm afraid there's not much that I can do. What problem do you have with your roommate anyways?
My roommate? She works at a cafe just off campus. But she works on the night shifts, so she usually comes in at 3 to 4 a.m. And when she comes in every day, she wakes me up. I can't really sleep well after that. I'm not sure how I can last a whole semester in such an environment.
Well, it sure does sound tiresome. Why didn't you come a little earlier? We could have had some other rooms open for you.
Let's stop here and see the first question. Why does the student go to see the employee? This is a GIST question. Here are my notes. From the beginning, you can find out the answer is A. She wants a different room. Very easy. But if you miss the information at the beginning, what should you do? You can rule out wrong answers from the rest of the listening. For example, the woman says her roommate comes back late. Then the man mentions if she comes early, there are other rooms. B is about finding a job, so it's wrong. C is about the due date of registering room. But the woman is living in the dorm, so I rule out C. D is about looking for a new roommate. It seems right, but the woman doesn't mention it, so D is wrong. Whenever you listen in English, think about the gist of listening and summarize key ideas. This will improve your listening as well as speaking. Please share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!